All right, everybody, welcome to this course. We are so excited that you're learning about the Scrum Framework and part of the accountabilities, the roles, the artifacts, and all of those great things here either on YouTube or in the Mighty Network. It's great that you're here. We wanted to give you a quick introduction to the aspects of the course, some partnerships that we're excited about. As you can see, Daria Bagina is here. So ScrumMastered is certainly going to be a part of this as well. So we're going to have Todd walk through the Mighty Network aspect of this course. Daria's got some bonus materials. If you're here on YouTube, the course is free. Run through the playlist. You know, there's over 2 hours of material. Go off and take your certification assessments. Go check all that stuff out. We hope you do great. But if you want some more, if you want interaction with Todd, Daria, and I, if you want a community of people as you learn, a lot of bonuses, a lot of great materials, a lot of good starter stuff, stick around, check it out. Todd's going to show you what the Mighty Network looks like. Daria's then going to show us what some of the bonus materials are as well. So Todd, what's up in the Mighty Network?
Yeah, I'm going to pull this screen up. So some of these videos and this outline will look familiar because it's free on YouTube. We just wanted to show you some of the interactions that we're hoping for in Mighty Networks. If you want to expand upon your journey, you don't have to, but if you want to expand upon your journey, you see we have a group chat here. You can see Ryan online, Daria's online. You can come and ask us one-on-one questions. You could pop into one of these modules, and after you watch it, you can scroll down and you can ask us any questions in here. You can ask the community questions, right? There's a lot of interaction that we're expecting on Mighty Network so that you can expand upon the knowledge that you've already gained from the free YouTube videos. And with that, I'm going to hand it over to Daria because Daria is going to blast this thing with all kinds of supporting materials that's going to enable you even further as a Scrum Master.
Yeah, thank you, Todd. So one of the things that a lot of people actually need after they complete the classes, such as this one, or getting the certification, is, well, implementing it all, right? So I will be looking into adding some additional materials to the class that will help you with starting your Scrum Master journey or starting your Scrum implementation and actually doing it right. So for example, one of the materials I want to add is the Scrum Master Startup Guide, which will cover things like how is your team matures, right? How can you become better with Scrum and the implementation of Scrum? I'm talking about things like the different ways you can help your team and how you need to actually work with them in order to be more successful when you are implementing Scrum. And then things that are very, very practical, such as real-life examples of sprint schedules and how you can set them up. And I'm also sharing some of my personal notes that are based on my experience. What is a good schedule? And what days would be the best ones to maybe start your sprints? And then I'm looking into things like the actual facilitation of different sprint events. So if you need some help with figuring out what agenda items you want to add into your sprint planning, for example, how to prepare, what to do during the meeting, who should attend, all of those things, you can find them in these guides. So this is just one of the guides that I was thinking of adding and looking into other things that can be very helpful in your journey.
Super awesome. That's exciting.
Yeah,
and all this is going to be behind our Mighty Networks, right? You get what we have on YouTube. Yeah, looks awesome.
Yeah, so we're really excited about this partnership. It's great that Daria and the ScrumMastered brand, they're joining us along in this framework journey. We hope that you find the videos useful. If you want a community, the bonus materials, a lot of the starting items that Daria showed, join us over in the Mighty Network. It's in the description. So check that out. Be sure to join us there. But hey, enjoy the videos here on YouTube. Go through them. We hope you get a lot of value out of them. Go get that certification. Go do great on that test. But if you go to community.agileforhumans.com, there's the link. Join us in the community, and let's see how much further we can take this Scrum Master journey. All right, everybody, enjoy the course. Thanks for joining us here on YouTube, and hopefully we see you over on the Mighty Network community.